Hi guys. So this video is about the demonstration of ROAS project on which I work, and this is basically a project to monitor return on advertisement spending. So uh, we basically got access of four APIs from the client, from which one is the spending API and the other three are revenue APIs. The spending API is the Google Ads, and revenue APIs include Azoic API, Google AdSense, and AdX. So these are the background details. So there are first we made an ETL tool to collect the data from these APIs, format in the same manner, and store it in a database. So the database we used was Postgres SQL, and the ETL script runs two times every day. So it updates the data two times every day for all the four APIs and their corresponding tables in Postgres database. So uh, if we want to look at the database and the ETL tool, it is deployed on DigitalOcean. So let us check it. So so this is the API, and this is developed using Python. So it collects all the data, formats it, and store it in the Postgres database. So next thing we did was develop an backend API, which upon request by the front end sends the response to for send a response which includes the cost and spending data and whatever else the data required to display on the front end. So let us see that. Uh, so this is developed using, so this runs the query upon receiving the request, and then in response it sends the data. So this is the backend API, and it is developed using Flask framework. And let us see one more thing. So the the automatic running of the API is done via service, systemd service, and the ETL tool script that runs at two times a day at 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. So this is done via cron job. So it is we can see cron tab. So this is UTC time, so it is displaying different. So uh, this script runs at this time every day. So this was the technical details. Now let us move on to the website itself. So so this is the login screen. Now let us move on to the website. So so this is the landing page. So we can see the data. So it is we can also see the breakdown data by EPA API. This is the ROX value. This is the date picker, and this is the search functionality. We can even see, we can even search. Suppose if we want to search this, so it will display the data between this date of that campaign. So this is the ROX value. So let us now log out. So this was the project. I am Ayush Dhattarwal, and I enjoyed working on it at Blackcoffer, and I got to learn a lot about ETL tools, APIs, and the deployment on DigitalOcean. So we use DigitalOcean Droplet for this, and I am very thankful for to the Blackcoffer for giving me this project. Thank you.